this Rasa is possible only by Radhe. So I want to sing a Radhe song first to welcome Radhe. When Radhe was born in Barsana, how the people celebrated. That is the song Radha's birth. Gopika Jeevana Smaranam Govinda Govinda Sadgurunath Maharaj ki Jai. Radhe Pirandanale Yengal Radhe Pirandanale Radhe Pirandanale Yengal Radhe Pirandanale Marangale Kudigale Yengal Radhe Pirandanale Malargale Taligale Yengal Radhe Pirandanale Radhe Pirandanale Yengal Radhe Pirandanale Meengale Maangale Yengal Radhe Pirandanale Mayilgale Kuyilgale Yengal Radhe Pirandanale Radhe Pirandanale Yengal Radhe Pirandanale Thodi Nee Vaali Yengal Radhe Pirandanale Aaliye Maamalaye Yengal Radhe Pirandanale Radhe Pirandanale Yengal Radhe Pirandanale Madiye Yamuna Nadiye Yengal Radhe Pirandanale Kandre Govardhana Kundre Yengal Radhe Pirandanale Radhe Pirandanale Yengal Radhe Pirandanale Muniye Naan Mugane Yengal Radhe Pirandanale Kaniye Karpaga Tharuve Yengal Radhe Pirandanale Radhe Pirandanale Yengal Radhe Pirandanale Shivane Shanmugane Yengal Radhe Pirandanale Vaname Vrindavaname Yengal Radhe Pirandanale Radhe Pirandanale Radhe Pirandanale Maye Mahamaye Yengal Radhe Pirandanale Taye Unayala Yengal Radhe Pirandanale Radhe Pirandanale Yengal Radhe Pirandanale Nandaya Shoda Yengal Radhe Pirandanale Rama Balarama Yengal Radhe Pirandanale Radhe Pirandanale Yengal Radhe Pirandanale Kanna Manivanna Yengal Radhe Pirandanale Yennam Yedera Yengal Radhe Pirandanale Radhe Pirandanale Yengal Radhe Pirandanale Radhe Pirandanale Yengal Radhe Pirandanale Yugala Sarkar ki Jai Sadgurunath Maharaj ki Jai. Radhe is beautiful song to welcome Radhe's birth. Like only Rasa is possible because of Radhe. So in this chapter, we are going to see in the first shloka itself, Radhe word is not coming in Bhagavatam as Spashtama. It is like a hidden. It's only coming in 3-4 places, and that too not Radha. It's like Radhasa, or it's added with some other word like that. Radhe, who is writing Bhagavatam? The parrot of Radhe. The parrot has come and taken Avadara as sage Shuka. Sage Shuka is narrating Bhagavatam to Parikshit right now. Shuka is the most dearest devotee of Radhe. And the moment he says Radha, go into Samadhi state. If he goes to Samadhi, what will happen to Parikshit? He cannot hear Katha. So, Shukar is controlling himself, so not saying Radha. So, the birth of Radha or how Krishna Radha met first time, all those are not in Bhagavatam. Bhagavatatlo passing Mari, only Rasa has come in Bhagavatam. And that too, because Parikshit asked too many questions, Shuka stopped in 5 chapters. Otherwise, he would have continued even more. So like that, you and I, before you ask questions, you remember Parikshit already asked our questions. So you should not have any questions because it will come. Whatever you may have will be answered in the chapter as we read. And also, we are bhaktas of Krishna. So we may not understand everything, but we have full faith in our Shastram, our Puranas, our Itihasas, our Vedam, our Sanatana Dharmam. So we take everything in a spirit of faith, in a spirit of bhakti. We don't do kutarkam. If anybody has such intent, I'm very sorry, you will not be able to understand correctly. Kutarkam pannakodadu. Kutarkam means perverted argument. That is not for bhaktas like us. Perverted argument parties la pannuva. Anga don't even indulge them. So here we don't understand, but we know. We have faith in our Sanatana Dharma. Who is narrating Rasa? Seth Shuka. Seth Shuka is a Paramahamsa. Paramahamsa Sthiti Yakam Bhagavatam Paramahamsa Grantham. Paramahamsa Sthiti is up there. So it's not a movie story that you mentioned that somebody is dancing and singing. No, this is not about that. Rasa is Shringara Bhavam of Bhagavan Krishna. Highest Prema Bhavam. In Prahlada has said 9 ways of bhakti. 9 types of bhakti Prahlada said in Narasimha Avatara chapter 11. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnoho, Smaranam, Padasevanam, Archanam, Vandanam, Dasyam, Sakyam, Atmanivedanam. Right? 9 ways to do worship to Krishna. Shravanam, Katha Shravanam. Kirtanam, singing the Kirtan. Smarana, do his Smarana of the face of the full Dhyanam of Bhagavan's Rupam. Smaranam, and then Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, Smaranam, Pada Sevanam. How Lakshmi Mata always does Pada Seva of Bhagavan. Archanam, doing Ashtotram, Archani, Puja to Krishna. Vandanam, always doing Dandavat Pranam to Krishna. Archanam, Vandanam, Dasyam. Dasya Bhava is our Hanumanji is a Dasa Bhakta. Kuchelar is asking, please give me your Dasyam. Many Dasa Bhakta, Dasa Bhava is also highest Premai. Premai has come already in Dasya Bhava, Dasa Bhava. So, Dasa Bhavam is also Prema Bhakti. Adukapram, Dasyam Sakhya Bhavathilum, Sakhyathilum Prema irukku. Arjuna has Sakhya Bhava. Sakhya Bhavathile Prema irukku, Sakhyam. Atmanivedanam, Mahabali gave himself to Krishna, Guruvayurappan. Adu Atmanivedanam, giving ourselves fully surrendering, adum Prema. All these are Prema Bhakti, but the Shringara Bhava is highest. Vatsalya Bhavam is Yashoda Nanda Baba, adu Prema. Shanta Bhavam, adum said Shuka, Vala Shantamana Bhakti Bhava, adum Prema. But in the Prema is Shringara Bhavam. So Shringara Bhavam is very, very unique and most rare and special that it is not given liberally. There will be many granthas about Shiva Parvati, Shringara Bhava, etc. There will be such grantha in other granthas, but it's not available liberally for everyone. But our Bhagavatam is Samsara Pavata Poka Ulla Karunayana Grantham. Right? Yam pravrajandam anupedam apetakrtyam dvaipayano viraha katara ajuhava putredi tanmayataya taravo bineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanadosmi yasvanubhavam. Akhila Idakushukar Yasvanubhavam avaroda anubhavam bhagavatam Yasvanubhavam Akhila Shruti Saramekam Adhyatmadipam Adititirshatam Tamundam Samsarinam Karunaya Purana Guhyam Samsarina Karunaya Karunayala vanda Bhagavatam. So it is telling even rasa for our sake. The rasa is the source of all anandam, delight. It's the source of all arts. Everybody, when you say Narayanyam, I already know Narayanyam rasam. Everybody will know Narayanyatla Keshapasha Thariyam, they will tell. Right? So, rasa is very famous for everyone because there is dancing and singing, etc. So that out of Karune, Bhagavan as Shuka has described this rasam. Adnala, this rasa has to be taken with that spirit of gratitude and bhakti to Bhagavan. So, let us study Sringara Bhavam is rasa. Adu romba secret and romba rare. Adu nammalukku Bhagavan is trying to show that such gopis had got it. Gopis had the anugraham of Sringara Bhavattila Bhagavana sevikkandu. Adu Radhe anugrahtila. We get by Radhe's kripa. So, everything is about Radhe Krishna together than our gods. So, again bowing down to Radhe and Krishna, let us begin today's chapter. Shri Shukauvacha Ekonatrimshu Adhyayah Bhagavana Pita Ratri Sharadotphulla Mallikaha Viksharantum Manaschakre Yogamaya Mupashritaha. See the word? Yogamaya Mupashritaha. Yogamaya yare? Radhe. That was the line in the song. So remember this. There is Maya, but there is Yogamaya. Adikuda, this song is giving one line for it. Maye Mahamaye Engal Radhe Pirandanale Taye Unayala Engal Radhe Pirandanale. Appo Maya Devi is Maya. Ana Une Ala Unakku mela oru Maya irukale Radha Maya. Adu Yoga Maya. Appo Yoga Maya power very different. Adu Anugraham power. Appo and the Yoga Maya Ashrichunde Bhagavan started the rasa. Bhagavan by himself cannot. He didn't. With the Radha's ashrayam. Bhagavan Pita Ratri Sharadotphulla Mallikaha Viksharandum Manaschakre Yogamaya Mupashritaha Tadodu Raja Kakubakkarenmukam Pracha Vilimpanarudena Shantamaihi Sacharshanina Uddagachuchomrijan Priya Priyaya Iva Dirgadarshanaha Tadodu Raja Kakubakkarenmukam Pracha Vilimpanarudena Shantamaihi Sacharshanina Udagachuchomrijan Priya Priyaya Iva Dirgadarshanaha. On that night, when the moon is arisen, Bhagavan decided to give Anandam to the gopis. So, he saw Drishtva Kumudvandam Akhandamandalam Ramananabam Navakungumarunam Anam Chatat Komala Gobiranjidam Jagaukalam Vamadrisha Manoharam Drishtva Kumudvandam Akhandamandalam Ramananabam Navakungumarunam Vanam Chatat Komala Gobiranjidam Jagaukalam Vamadrisha Manoharam. So, because there is Krishna and Radha there, Vrindavanam is beautiful. Now the moon is wanting to do seva, moon is risen. and white moonlight reddish tinge is there, and the beautiful sky is also lighted, twilight time, and then the Mallika poo fragrance spreading everywhere, and all the forest, all the trees are fully covered with flowers. You can't even see the leaves anymore. As the full eastern horizon, the light of the moon is shining all over the sky. At this time, Bhagavan starts playing the lovely flute. And the flute la Radhe, Radhe, Radhe dan solluvar flute la. So, as the flute sound is coming, Nishamya Geetam Tadananga Vardhanam Vrajastriyah Krishna Grihita Manasaha Krishna Grihita Manasa Ajagmur Anyonyam Alakshidodhyamaha Sayatra Kanto Javalola Kundalaha Nishamya Geetam Tadananga Vardhanam Rajastriyah Krishna Grihita Manasaha Ajagmur Anyonyam Alakshidodhyamaha Sayatra Kanto Javalola Kundalaha Duhantyo Viyayuh Kachite Doham Hitva Samutsukaha Payodishritya Samyavam Anudvasya Parayayuhu. Radha's face was there in the last sloka, previous sloka. Nishtva Kumudbandam Akhanda Mandalam Ramananabam Navakungumarunam. Beautiful Radha is standing there with lovely, beautiful white golden complexion with beautiful tilakam. So inspired. The moment the flute sound came for the gopis only, everybody didn't hear. They had to engage in their housework. But the flute is Krishna Grihita Manasa. Manasa pull pandrathu. Abadiye holding. Krishna's flute is holding their mind. They forgot everything else. As though something is pulling them. Nammaloda hold the Prakriti is holding our mind. Prakriti. For the gopis, Krishna Grihita Manasa. And so, Ajagmur Anyonyam Alakshido, abadiye they forgot. And they want to run to that place. That's all they know. So they just dropped everything. Sayatraka, they became some change vandurthu with their kundala shaking. They dropped whatever they are doing in a state of ecstasy, ecstatic feeling. Okay, there's no play of buddhi or here. There's no buddhi or aham here. It's a state of ecstasy, and they are running. So they didn't know what other person is doing. Everybody started running, all the gopis. Whatever they were doing, they stopped. Some is milking the cow. Duhantyo Viyayuh Kachide Doham Hitva Samutsuka. Abadiye Padila, she stopped. Another is feeding her child, baby, Balaputkara. She left the baby and she left. Payodishitya Samyavam Anudvasya Parayayuhu Pariveshayantya Stathitva Payayantya Shishunpayaha Shushrusantya Patin. Milk boil batra, she did not put it down. Another is feeding baby milk. Pariveshayantyastathitva payayantya shishunpayah shushrushantyah patin kashite ashnantyopasya bhojanam limpantyah pramarjantyanya anjantyah kaschalochane yatyasta vastrabharanaha kashchit krishnandikamyayuhu limpantyah Pramrjantyonya Anjantyah Kaschalochane Yatyasta Vastrabharanaha Kaschit Krishna krishnadikamyayuhu. Her husband, and then she's preparing food, etc. They left. It is a state of some love has overpowered and left. It is not a purposeful leaving, right? And then they don't know what they are doing. Limpantyaha, some are dressing up themselves, some are having bath, some are applying anjana to the eyes, some were dressing up, but they did not do, they did everything wrong order. Yatyastavastravaranaha Kashchit krishnadikamyayuhu. They just put they didn't know what they were doing. They just put here and there everything and ran to Bhagavan. Tavadyamana patibihi pitrabir bhratrabandhubihi govinda bhagdatmano natnyavartanta mohitaha. Some were stopped by husbands. That is hard one. See, 8 and 9. Tavadyamana patibihi pitrabir bhratrabandhubihi govinda bhagdatmano natnyavartanta mohitaha andargrihagada kaschite gopyo alabdha vinirgamaha krishnam dadbhavana yukta tadurmilita lochanaha andargrihagada kaschite gopyo alabdha vinirgamaha krishnam dadbhavana yukta tadurmilita lochanaha Tavadyamana patibihi pitrabir bhratrabandhubihi. So some husbands or parents or brothers or relatives are stopping these some of the gopis. Govinda, but the mind has been stolen by Krishna. Govinda vahridatmano natnyavartanta mohitaha. Apadiye they close their eyes. Andar Grihagadaka Krishnam Dadbhavan Nayuta. Abhiya Krishna came into the mind and filled it. Krishna filled their inside. And so they closed their mind eyes as though went to samadhi, just like that. Just like that, the mind got absorbed in samadhi in Krishna. So, Andar Grihagada Kaschite Gopyo Alabdha Vinirgamaha Krishnam Dadbhavana Yukta Dadyurmilita Lochanaha Dustaha Preshta Viraha Tivrata Paduta Shubhaha Dhyana Prapta Chudashlesha Nirvritya Kshena Mangalaha Dusaha Preshta Viraha Tivrata Paduta Shubhaha Dhyana Prapta Chudashlesha Nirvritya Kshena Mangalaha Tameva Paramatmanam Jara Buddhya Pitsangadaha Jahur Gunamayam Deham Sadhyaha Prakshena Bandhanaha. Viraha Tapa, they are immersed in Viraha Tapa. The Viraha state is different from Dukkham state. We only know Dukkha state, Sukha Dukkha state. The Viraha state we never got yet, because it is only after we get divine love. When we love Krishna, then when the separation will give Viraha. If a love is not come at all, then Viraha will not be experienced by us. So, intense love, Viraha Bhava will come. Like for Radhe and for Krishna and for the gopis. So, on the Viraha Bhava came for her, because of which all the very important tattva is coming. She went to Dhyana Prapta Achura Shlesha Nirvritya Kshena Mangala. All the sins of that, the karma vasana, karma is fully still in our body. Some good karma, some bad karma, bad is always there in us. So every day we are adding more or reducing. Every day it's going on. So the bad karma, as everything became burnt out, because she experienced intense viraha of Bhagavan. Intense viraha tapatla and the agni and the heat of the separation burnt out all her sins. So karma, the bad karma burnt out. in one flash, just as she was in the deep viraha tapam, she experienced. Then tameva paramatmanam jara buddhyapi sangata. Apadiye now Krishna came as her beloved husband or beloved lover, and she got engrossed in the Krishna and experienced intense anandam and the bliss. In that anandam bliss state, all her punya karma that was left, adhum vaipach. ஒரே செகண்ட்ல கர்மா பேங்க் ஜீரோ ஆயிடுது. See what happened here? To be why the cause of our shaya? Karma is cause of everything here. So the karma for her was immediately wiped out for them. The one by experiencing and two by experiencing anandam of union with Krishna in the heart. இது ரெண்டும் பார்த்துங்கோ. Understand this tattva very well. So for us, we are in this body of karma. Avalod jahur gunamayam deham sadyah prakshina bandha. Gunamayam deham. Our deham is gunamayam. We are in maya shariram. With sattva raja tamo guna swabhava is there for us. And we are continuously going again and again in this chakra, in the cycle. So our gunamaya sharira, the physical body, dropped for her as the mind was engrossed in Krishna and experienced union with Bhagavan. And the mind abadiye samadhila Bhagavana merge anapo physical body fell. The gunamaya sharira was dropped, and the her linga shariram united with Bhagavan, because they don't wish to be in this body without Krishna, without experiencing rasam. So the physical body is dropped. They attained union. Punja. So ava jahur gunamayam deham satyah prakshina bandhanaha. So normally the bandha, karma bandha is not leaving us so easily. Karma, the linga sharira is holding all our karmas, and because of the linga sharira, we keep taking birth again and again. And the karma will not be exhausted so easily. But for the gopis, what was the reason? Viraha tapam and jara buddhyapi sangata, the sangam with the Bhagavan in intensity. Both of them immediately exhausted their karma and attained union. So, idha avale paramahamsa state adanjutta, the gopis. Dussaha preshta vidaha tivrata paduta shubha dhyana prapta chuta shlesha nirvritya kshina mangalaha tameva paramatmanam jara buddhyapi sangadaha jahur gunamayam deham sadyah prakshina bandhanaha. Now Raja is asking question. Rajo vacha krishnam vidu param kantam natu brahmataya muni guna pravaho paramaha tasa gunadhiyam katham. Krishnam vidu param kantam natu brahmataya muni guna pravaho paramaha tasa gunadhiyam katham. Shri Shuka uvacha uktam purastade datte chaidyasthidhim yada gadaha dvishannapi rishikesham kimuda doksha cha priyaha. Krishnam vidu param kantam natu brahmataya muni. You said the gopis attained Bhagavan. How is it possible? Parikshit is asking to Shuka, saying she only meditated on Krishna as her lover, param kantam, natu brahmataya muni, not as parabrahmam. She only did Krishna dhyanam as Krishna rupam, as her ennod husband, ennod lover. But you Guruvayurappan the parabrahma spoken to know how she attained guna pravaho paramaha It is only body-based attachment to Krishna. How did that give moksha? Parikshit is asking. It's only body-based attachment to Krishna. How did that give liberation or union with Krishna? Apo yaar Krishna? He didn't get it yet, I guess, right? So Shuka is telling you, I already answered this. Shuka is getting, again you're asking. I already told this katha. Shuka is telling, Uktam Purastade Datte Chaidya Siddhim Yadagadaha. Shishupala, the king of Chedi, he was always hating Bhagavan. Dvesham irundhudu. He has dvesham for Krishna, and every word he will utter is to blame Krishna and abuse Krishna with every word. Every speech is used to hurt Krishna, insult Krishna under Shishupala, and Krishna sent the chakra and killed him. Shishupala attained moksha. Dvishannavirishikesham kimuda doksha japriyaha. If enemy of Krishna can attain Krishna, Bhagavan, Krishna as Bhagavan, enmity dane. Then how he attained Bhagavan? Abdina Krishna yare. So again, Shuka is telling, if the gopi attained Krishna because he is Bhagavan, Shishupala attained Krishna because he is Bhagavan. Who is Bhagavan? We don't understand yet. That's why Parikshit also didn't understand, so he's asking. So, Yenda Bhavathila we are going to Bhagavan is not important because it is Bhagavan. It is Bhagavan, right? Who is it? Who is that person who we are going to? That is Bhagavan. Anala, whatever bhava is not important, is adoksha priya. He is beyond our senses. That Bhagavan is the Rishikeshan. That Bhagavan who is controlling our senses and beyond all our senses is in the space of the heart and the Bhagavan. So enemy can attain Bhagavan, na? A lover should attain Bhagavan. Yeah. Apani question ka kaliye. Right? Apo Nrinam Nishreyasarthaya Yaktir Bhagavato Nrpa Avyayasya Prameyasya Nirgunasya Gunatmanaha. Nrinam Nishreyasarthaya Yaktir Bhagavato Nrpa Avyayasya Prameyasya Nirgunasya Gunatmanaha. Kamam krodam bhayam sneham aikyam sauhridamev cha nityam haro vidadato yanti tanmayatam hite. Kamam krodam bhayam sneham aikyam sauhridamev cha nityam haro vidadato yanti tanmayatam hite. As the Krishna, he came down and then he makes us attached to him in some way or another. Attached or angry or enemy or something. So, Yaktir Bhagavato Nrpa. Bhagavan takes uplifts so that we get connected to him in some way. That Bhagavan who is Avyayasya is changeless. He cannot be perceived through our buddhi or senses. Aprameyan, he is immeasurable, he is infinite. Avyaya aprameyasya nirgunasya gunatmanaha. He is beyond the gunas. He is beyond prakriti. He is beyond the maya. So, he is the whole Bhagavan, Satchit Ananda Swarupa. He is eternal Bhagavan who is always Chinmayam, and Anandamayam. So, under Bhagavan, he is any emotion we get to Bhagavan, if it is directed to Bhagavan, whether it be Kamam, Krodam, Bhayam, Sneham, Aikyam, Saukridam, Evach. Kamatinala. So, the gopis right now having Kama Bhava. Shringara Bhava blessed by Radha. The Kama Bhava, if you can say, Saidandri,
Kadai will come later. Sairendrikku vena Rama bhavam sollalam, right? But the gopis illaya, idu Radhe would bless pandra gopis. These gopis are many kinds of gopis have come to Rasam. There were some of the gopis were rishis in Rama Avatara. They have when they saw the beautiful form of Rama, they want to experience Rama as his wife would. Appadi or bhavam they got. So after that intense tapas and the wish was there in them. So now Rama appo vande ekapatni vrata ippo illiye, ippo 16,108 it's still counting. So ippo Krishna liberala kudukaran whatever bhava you have. So those rishis have come as gopis. Some of these gopis are all the beautiful rivers, Ganga Mata and her Sakis. Some other gopis are all, when Bhagavan did Sita Tyagam in Ramayana, afterwards when he was performing yagas, the priest had told him, you cannot perform yaga without Dharmapatni by your side. So you have to have a bimbam of Sita and Adlavahanam Padanam. You have to bring Sita in that, invoke Sita in that bimbam and then do the yaga. So like this, every time Rama did yaga, the bimbas of Sita were created and Avahanam was done for that, and Sita Mata, all those Sitas have been reborn as gopis. Idellam Garga Samhitala irukku. So these gopis are also the Shrutis. The Shrutis have done so much tapas and they want to be reborn as gopis to experience Krishna in the Shringara Bhava. Adnala Shrutis Upanishads Chalvar. Adra first Narayana Slogathila Bhattadari says this in a subtle way. Agre pashyami tejo nibidadarakalaya piyusha plavidoham tadanu tadudare divya kaishoravesham tarunyarambaramyam parama sukarasaswada romanjitangaihi avidam naradadhyaihi vilasadupanishad Sundari Mandalaischa. See that word? Ilasad Upanishad Sundari Mandalaischa. And the gopis are come, the Shrutis came as gopis. And so the gopis are not ordinary people. They have done tapas for several kalpas, then they are born as gopis. Illa kamam illa olinjida gopis are porakka mudiyum. Mahapariva says that. Sannyasam vanga vangitte he tells that. Gopi Katha is not so easy to get and to feel love for it. If I am feeling this little bit, adu Guru Kripadan. Otherwise, I wouldn't understand and just tell like a theory from the book. Appadi like it vande enga Gurunatha திருப்பி teaches and he lives like that. Our patham Radhe sellum padame engal padai. Our marga is Radhe marga. Prema marga da enga sampradayam. Our sampradaya of Gurunatha is premika sampradayam. Prema bhavam. So this is very beautiful to understand. The bhava of gopis is not just mere kamam like others. The women of Mathura felt kamam to Krishna when he is coming. Other any woman will feel like that because he's so beautiful. But the gopis bhava is premai. Krodha bhava is there for Hiranyaksha, Hiranyakashipu. Then bhayam is Kamsan. Sneha bhavam is all the Vrajavasis. And then Aikya bhavam. Again, the gopis attained Aikyam, Saugridam, the friendship bhava, Sakya bhava. Idallam, any bhava we go to Krishna. Tanmayam, when the mind became Tanmayam with Krishna. Who is Krishna? Then is the Chitananda Swarupam. So when that happens, they attain Krishna. Parikshit, the question is asking. So Shuka is replying like this. Kamam krodam bhayam sneham aikyam sauhridamevacha nityam haro vidadado yanti tanmayatam hite.
Duhyandiyo viyayukkaja bhogam hippa samulsagaga ayodhisitesam tamjava manuddhasya parayayu arive